Hello everybody. Today I worked on the driver's viewport mechanism. Having restored all the parts, I thought it's going to be a while before we put it back in the vehicle, so I thought I'll make up a mock-up so that people can see how the mechanism works until such time as I need to take it apart again and put it back into the real vehicle. Anyway, so right now, and the handles have two spring-loaded thumb buttons. These release the two levers to pivot the armor cover outside. So if I depress the two and release it, it goes to the first position here and it closes the view about 50%. So the armor guard comes down. If I do it again, then it has a very thin line, just a peephole. I guess if there was shrapnel flying around, you'd probably want it closed like that. Or I can go fully closed. And then the same thing, when you're opening it again, you can release it. The springs push the buttons back out again. Again, half open, and then fully open. Now, if the armor glass got damaged, then you would simply raise these up. The armor glass frame pivots down. You would slide the armor glass out, put a new one back in again, and simply put that back up and lock it in position. So that's how the driver mechanism works. Anyway, thank you.